Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss format specifiers in C. For input and output purposes, we use format specifiers. Format specifiers defines the type of data to be printed on standard output, and also format specifiers are used to know which type of data we are going to take input from the user. These are also known as format strings. Compiler will get to know what type of data is there in a variable during taking the input through scanf function and which type of data we are printing using printf function. As we cannot print the values directly from memory, compiler uses format specifiers to retrieve the values of variables from the memory. So generally we are using these format specifiers for input and output purposes. Okay. Now we'll see what does input and output mean in programming. So input means to provide some data to compiler by the user through keyboard to give output. And what does output mean? Output means to display the data on the output screen. So we use printf and scanf to get input and to give output. So in C language, we have certain input and output functions. For example, printf and scanf are the standard input and output functions. So printf is used to send the formatted output to output screen. The string inside the quotations in printf function will print on the output screen. So this is the syntax of the printf statement. Printf, opening parenthesis, double quotes, we have to give the message or we have to write the format specifier, and closing quotations, comma, location, that is variable name, semicolon. Scanf is used to take input from the user, and the syntax is scanf, opening parenthesis, in double quotations we have to write format specifier and comma ampersand location, that is variable name, and closing parenthesis semicolon. Next, these are different type of format specifiers we have in C program. For example, there are different types of data types as we have seen in previous video, right? We have integer, character, double, and float. So for each and every data type, we'll have one format specifier. For example, for integer, we can use %d or %i for reading and writing integer type of data. And for character type, we will use %c. And for floating, %f. And for double, %lf. For string, %s. So as we have seen in the syntax, in this format specifier place, we have to use %d for integer type, %c for character, %f for float, and %lf for double. I hope how to use format specifiers in printf and scanf statements is clear to you. And then we move to a simple example. As we know, the very first line in the program is header file. We have included #include stdio.h, that is standard input and output header file. Then main function, the point where the program execution starts. Then opening brace, we have declared marks variable of type integer, semicolon. We have declared grade variable of type character, semicolon. Then we are reading marks variable using scanf statement. As marks is of type integer, we have used %d as a format specifier. If you are using %c or %lf, the compiler will throws the error because you are reading the integer variable and you are giving another type of format specifier. So type mismatch error will be occurred. Scanf, opening parenthesis, in quotations, we have used %d, comma, ampersand, and location is marks variable. Next, printf. we are printing the marks data to the output screen. Percentile D, that is the format specifier, comma, the location is marks. Then we are reading grade of type character using percentile C, and we are printing it to the output screen. So this example, I hope it is very clear to you, and please try to print double floating variables to the output screen. And also we have getChar, putChar, getS and putS functions to get input from the user, that is character data type from the user. So this video, like about getChar, putChar, getS and putS, we will see in the next video. Thank you. Please do subscribe and please do comment if you have any doubts or if you have any questions. Thank you.